Hey everybody, long time no see. So today we're doing a little bit of a deep clean of the wheels, just to get to the bits of the back that you never normally get to when it's just on the car. So I've got them stripped off, and just looking to give them a real good clean. It's kind of started show season again, so there's nothing worse than going up and having dirty wheels. So I'll show you my setup, I'll show you what I'm kind of using, and hopefully it might help you out. So there's nothing worse than having your wheels on, I don't know, a carpet or a mat, and bending over and trying to give them a clean, or even having them propped up against the wall. Again, you're still bending over. So grab yourself a couple of traffic cones, pop off your centre caps and just pop them on. Perfect height. So you see, popped off the centre cap and the cones fit perfectly in the middle of the wheel. It allows you to get after it. Look at the state of them. Hopefully I can get all that off and bring them back to life. So you can see there, plenty of work to do to get these all cleaned up. Looking better already, but as you see, the inside still needing a bit of work. I have to give that a good scrub. So if, like mine, you have these kind of marks that just won't budge at all, what I find, and can sometimes cause a bit of controversy, is the pink stuff. So remember back to my video where I done my exhaust triangles? So just a little bit of this on a microfiber cloth and just give it a scrub. So you'll see that section there, kind of cleaned it up, and you see it all the way around the rim. So I'll give that a go all the way around and then I'll show you what it looks like. So you can see a difference already, just right around that rim. Now a lot of people say, the pink stuff does have a little bit of grit in it, and it can ruin your paintwork. So far, can't really see any scratches or any marks on mine. And like I say, it's just a light bit on some a microfiber towel, just to get some of those stubborn marks away. So I'm going to work on the inside now and see what that looks like once we're done. As you can see, a lot better than it was to start with. I mean, ultimately I think I'm going to have to get my wheels redone, because there is various kind of chips with paint. There's actually a bit of paint that's completely come off, so that's going to have to get kind of stripped back and repainted. But yeah, just quick video just to show you what I've done, and not posted for a while, so just a little bit of what I've been up to. So we've got quite a lot of content coming. We've got various things to do to the car. We've got drop links, ball joint, new suspension. I need to take my front splitter off because that's now cracked and broken, so looking to hopefully get a new one. We've got a couple of little things coming up. We've got some wrapping of the car and some decals to go on it, so that'll be good to show you. So yeah, plenty of content coming up. Now that we've got some good weather, we can get some work done on the car. So thanks for everybody who's kept watching the videos, keep subscribing to the channel. Really appreciate it. We've seen our likes and comments go up, so that is absolutely fantastic, and I appreciate that from everybody. But if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, just go down, hit the subscribe button, and that'd be really appreciated. So until the next time, catch you all later.
Boy, and I'll say it again, life moves pretty fast.